So we start with the data room for our particular project. So here we can imagine that we have a bunch of documents for a project that's going on in Fenway Park. What we do is we take in these documents and we index them on 3 axes. First on the location, second on the time where they're relevant, and then third on the actual content of the documents. So if we zoom in on the map, we can see that each document is tied to a specific location. If we click on the document, we can view the document itself and see it in its context in the map. In addition to this, we can select a specific area on the map and we can see that we filter out documents to just this thing. In addition to that, we can also filter by the time aspect. So say we just want to view documents in the last few years, we can filter to just that time range, and then we can see that our filter gets even more specific. Finally, we can index on the actual content of the documents. So if we come here and reset our filters, we can look for mortgages per se in this area. So if we look for a keyword of mortgage in these documents, we can see the exact documents and the times where they appear, where mortgage is something that's mentioned in the document. So for example, this document here is a mention of a mortgage, and each one of these marks on the map is a document that contains a mortgage. Next to that, we can do a semantic search. And what this does is, instead of just keying in on the keyword, it figures out the meaning of your query and then matches that to what the content is in the document. So per se, we can look up road repairs for in Lansdowne, which is the name of this street here. And we click search, and we can see the specific documents that are associated with this kind of query. So if we look at this, we can see a specific road repair that happened in this area that's on Lansdowne. Same for the rest of these. If we want to broaden or more specify the query, we can just slide this slider and we'll pull up more or less documents according to how many documents we want to see.